You might have heard of the forex price code in the foreign exchange market. What does the forex price code mean? The forex price code simply defines the base and the code currency. What is the base and the code currency? In the foreign exchange market, we trade currency pairs, right? So in the foreign exchange market, we trade currency pairs, currency pairs. Example of a currency pair, we have GBP USD. We have USD CAD. Let's just work with those two examples. So these are examples of the currency pairs we trade in the foreign exchange market. Now the forex price code simply defines the base currency and the code currency. On every currency pair, we have the base currency and we have the code currency. Remember, the definition of forex trading is the simultaneous buying of one currency and selling of another, or selling one and buying another. So simultaneously, there will always be two currencies involved. You are either buying one and selling another. Now you might be asking yourself this question. Now what if on these two pairs, on this pair we have USD behind, on this other pair we have USD in front. Now what happens if USD is buying? USD is buying to the upside. What will you do? Will you come and buy GBP USD or you sell GBP USD? I'm going to explain that. The forex price code simply breaks down the different currency pairs so we know which one is going to be affected if USD is buying and how is it going to be affected. Define the base currency and the code currency. It's very simple. On every currency pairs, the first currencies in front are the base currencies, while the ones behind are the code currency. I'll repeat again. On every currency pair, you go into GBP USD, USD CAD, GBP JPY. The first currency in front is the base, while the one that comes behind is the code currency. Now, having understood that, what does this mean and how can we relate it to the chart? The next point, the chart, we can have a chart here going up and down, right? This chart, if the chart is going up, the chart moves based off the base currency. So the chart moves based on the base currency, right? So the chart moves based off the base currency. What does that mean? It therefore means that on a pair like GBP USD, if the chart on GBP USD is buying or if it is selling, and we say the chart moves based off the base currency, it therefore means that GBP is buying or GBP is selling. Example, if USD CAD is selling, what does that mean? If USD CAD is selling, it means that USD is selling, right? If GBP USD is buying, it means that GBP is buying. If GBP USD is selling, it means that GBP is selling. Now, it might still be vague. Let's go deep. Now, in a situation where we have USD buying, USD is buying as a currency, right? For you as a trader, you need to trade currency pair, not that particular currency. You come now to your pair, how can you relate it to your pair, right? We're going to look at USD is buying, USD is on an uptrend, and we want to trade GBP USD. What happens? USD is buying. This is USD here as the code currency. Remember, the chart move based off the base currency. USD here is the code currency and USD is buying. If USD is buying, what happens to GBP? GBP is going to be selling, right? GBP will be selling. Why? If USD is buying, GBP will be selling. Why? We'll go back to the definition of forex trading. The simultaneous buying of one and selling of another. So if this one is buying, this other currency has to be selling, right? If USD is buying, you'll be buying to the upside, then push GBP down. We come down here. USD is buying. If USD is buying and USD is the base currency, what happens down here? USD will be buying and CAD will be selling. Now, you're asking yourself, what do I do now? Do I buy or sell GBP USD or USD CAD? If you know the answer, comment down below. Now, let's explain. If USD is buying, simultaneously GBP will be selling. If USD is buying here, CAD will be selling. And since the chart moves based off the base currency, take note of that, write it down. Key point, since the chart moves based off the base currency, USD is buying here, GBP is selling here, it therefore means that we are going to be selling GBP USD, right? because USD is buying, GBP is selling, and the chart move based off the base currency, which is GBP. We come here, the same scenario, USD is still buying, but at this point now, we have USD now as the base currency, right? At this point, USD is buying, CAD will be selling. What are we going to do on USD CAD? We are going to be buying USD CAD. Why would we be buying USD CAD? Because USD is buying and USD is the base currency. The chart move based off the base currency. If you have not understood, just simply drop a comment down below and I'll probably do another video to explain better. If you're interested in learning how to trade, getting details into this, knowing more about forex trading, click the link down below, join our Telegram community, or simply purchase our $100 course, which has from the basic of forex trading to you're able to trade on your own. Peace out.